Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover your Credit Karma account. So if you'd been using Credit Karma for a certain while but seem to have forgotten the password to your account but still want to recover the account because you want to start using the account all over again, this is what you need to do in order to recover your account. For this, first of all, open up the Credit Karma app on your mobile device. As soon as you open up the app, you will land on this interface. Tap on the sign in button in the very end. As you tap on the sign in button, you'll be able to see that you'll have to enter your email address and your password in order to sign into your account. But because you've forgotten the password, tap on I need help accessing my account below the remember me option. After you tap on that, you'll have to wait for a certain while until the page completely loads for you to discover a way by means of which you can recover your account. So here it's going to ask you what exactly can Credit Karma help you with. So tap on I forgot my password and then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, the first thing you have to do is enter your email address. As you enter your email address, also tap on the continue button. Then what you have to do is for step 2, you'll have to check your email. As you check your email, you'll be able to see a password reset link. When you tap on the password reset link, it'll lead you towards an interface where you can set up a completely new password for your account, which means that by entering the same old email address and the new password that you just set for your account and then tapping on the sign in button, you'll be able to log into your account. And if you do get logged in, it means that your account recovery will have been successful. So this is basically how you can recover your Credit Karma account. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that with the help of this video you'll be able to log in and recover your own account. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get notified each time that we come up with a new tutorial video on how to geek. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.